going on, guys? Back in another video. Super cold in the shop today, and I forgot my propane tank, so I can't even run the heat. So it is going to be a little bit of a shorter video because I really don't want to get sick in here. But we got the blue car in, the door shut. We're trying to keep it as warm as possible. I almost started running this thing. I'll take a little bit of carbon monoxide to be warm. I'm kidding. But this car has only had like one issue the past couple months. It's been this rear coilover. It's just banging. I wonder if I can make you guys hear it. I like jumping. You can't really hear that's the tires, but like I could feel that something is wrong. So we're gonna take the coilover out. The Yonaka coils, I love their coils. I have them on this end, the probe. They sent me the parts to fix the coilover, or like how to buy them at least. So we're gonna take the coilover out, see what I need to order, and we're gonna order it. So let's get the wheel off, get the car up in the air. Okay guys, we got the wheel off. Here's the wheel over here. I always forget how big these wheels are. It's a big tire. Not really, I don't know. I know I need new ones. I have new ones. I just haven't put them on yet. Thankfully, it's the easy side to do coils on. 2 bolts up here. 1 bolt down there. Don't have to deal with the gas tube. So I'm gonna pop the trunk. We will have to take the spare out, but the 2 bolts will be right here. And then just the bottom bolt. So I'm gonna take all of them out and I'll be back with you guys. Also a good time to check over every suspension component, make sure everything looks good, everything's tight. Just, you know, why not? You're already here. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've done coilovers. Take out this 14 mil bolt too. It makes the whole thing pivot, make it so much easier. Coilover's out. Takes like 5 minutes for me, not even. But I'm a little confused. I don't really know exactly what's wrong with it. Like if I move this, it moves. So he said it could really be 2 things. The shock, which seems fine, or the top pillow ball mount, which is gonna have to be my guess. Which is such a weird thing to go bad, but I guess it just shows the quality. I guess, I don't know, I'm saying quality, but this boot is ripped. So, I don't know, I really love these coils. They never really given me an issue. So I'm gonna just keep looking at them for a minute, try to make my decision, maybe take some of the coilover apart, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, I got everything apart here. Wasn't that hard. And one thing I'm noticing is, actually I'm really impressed by the quality of Yonaka's coilovers. This whole piece came apart real nice. The boot is the only thing that's actually messed up. Probably my fault anyways, to be fair. So the bushing on the top here is completely separated. So that's gonna be my guess on what's going on. It's the top pillow ball mount, which I really didn't think would be the issue. And I almost laughed when he sent me the pillow ball that I needed. But that's what it is. So, yeah. I'm going to put it all back together, throw it back in the car. And I'm probably just going to order another pillow mount. We'll be back to do this again. So I'm going to get this all back together. I'll be back with you guys. Okay, guys. Coilover's back together. I still need to do some adjustments. But I want to show you guys something I messed up. I broke, somehow, the dampener, which is crazy. I don't really know how exactly I did it. The threads are still in the shock. As you can see, there's no threads on this anymore. I even pulled the one I had in the front out, missing the knob, and I broke that one too. So I'm just gonna order a new shock and ball. Why not? It's gonna be like 120 bucks altogether. I think it's probably gonna be worth it. Unless I can think of a way to get that out, which I'm not going to be able to. So I'm just going to order all new stuff, which isn't a big deal. I expected it. So I'm going to put this, I'm adjust it back and throw it in the car. And I'll be back with you guys when I'm done that. Okay, the coilover's back in. Make sure you tighten the top 2, the one at the bottom, and that one. Gonna put the wheel back on, be right back. Well guys, that's it for this video. Coilover's back in, car's on the ground, it's all back together. A little short video. Sorry guys, hiccups. Really just to show you what I need. So I'm gonna order 2 of these, 1 of these, a shock, and 1 pillow ball mount. Should rebuild that coil with the top piece and give me a new top piece for this side. Actually, I have one. I have one at home. So I only need 1. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I was a little short and a little bit, you know, not awesome. I just had to do this and it's cold out. Don't really have much else to do this week. Glasses are fogging up, but I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.